Hips tick-tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B, and that's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low.
We have the crispy kicking cayenne chicken cutlets.
I don't think y'all understand the power that I hold. Like, I am truly a bad bitch from all angles. You get it? Okay. Yeah. I believe y'all get it. And I ain't even got the weave brush and comb through it because I like the little. Baby, that light will either break you or make you. And it's gonna make me period.
The rent, yeah, boy, I'm still that bitch. I had to block you, but you still gotta watch this shit. Cause who the fuck rock it like me? I'm iced tea. You know I suck it good, real hood, real wake up. You know her head weak if she ain't fucking up her makeup. Damn, I can't. Ladies, love yourself, cause this shit could get ugly. That's why as fuck niggas get money. And I don't give a fuck if that nigga get on your knees and eat this pussy right before I have another nigga do it for me. Because dick don't run me, I run dick.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I can't believe I believed everything we have. My body's your addiction, your touch is my affliction.
On the previous vlog with the real Kiadraa.
Oh, you know what I mean?
No, you know. This hoe is so cute.
Hey, you know, I'm 21. I'm older.
Sitting in the back of the Benz and my feet go up. Bitches don't come outside when the beats go up.
So this is what we're supposed to be paid. And this is what I paid. Last week, I actually got a text message from, I'm not going to say no names. And she straight up literally had the nerve to tell me, you're not even successful yet. You're on the rise. You need to learn how to humble yourself. If you couldn't eat at the table with me when you felt like I didn't have that much, what makes you think that you're going to eat at the table with me when we feasting?
Dear fuck nigga, still can't believe I used to fuck with you. Poppin' playing B's cause I ain't playing to be stuck. Reason that your goofy ass got bitches. All them hoes wanna look like me. Bitch, most likely. Only fucking you just to spite me.
Everyday makeup routine, sipping paint, drinks, dropping gems on elevation, giving a moment of silence for the dream stealers, and more. If you guys have not went check that vlog out, please go check it out. And now let's go ahead and get into this one. Okay, y'all, so this is the ice box. It's organized, clean, put together, and I did the door. But this is what I did when I'm throwing this whole box away. This is good. This is a whole brand new good box, but for some reason I feel like they smell old or something. But this is what I don't understand, y'all. Why in the hell did I go to restock my coffees and all of the ones that I had in my bottom cabinet that was still in the case? They all look like this. Fucking old. Like, I'm so sad. Look, the expiration date is literally on there, clear as day. Y'all see that? July 18th. And they not bad, but they old. I'm not tripping. My icebox clean. All the Hello Fresh is put up.
Yellow rice chicken bowl. We have the crispy kicking cayenne chicken cutlets. I have this one pan Santa pork tacos. I don't eat pork, so I would not be eating these. But I do have some ground turkey, I believe so, in the freezer. So I'll just substitute that pork for ground turkey because we do not eat pork over here. and creamy dill chicken. The chicken with the green beans and the firecracker meatballs with the rice green beans. Sesame soy chicken bowl. One more meatball firecracker and one more yellow rice bowl.
So y'all, I just got finished with my makeup and I did this little ponytail. Y'all know my hair is like very thin on this side, so I tried to make it do what it do. But I'm feeling the pony. This is that Brazilian hair I had bought and did that quickly with. But as y'all can see, so I have some outfits laid out back there on the couch because I am going to be filming tonight this or that video like how I did my other video that's on TikTok. If you guys have not went check that out, go check it out. It's pinned to the top of my page on TikTok, so you'll see it right when you go there. But I'm going to be recreating another one, and it's going to be a theme of daytime and nighttime. In the same outfit, I wear daytime and how I wear nighttime. And it's like one to be dressed up, one to be dressed down. And after I get finished doing that, I have to go film content for my series that I started, which is the I Cook For My Wife. I'm going to be doing a taco board. It's going to be so good. I have everything. I already prepped and cleaned my chicken and my salmon. So that's already ready to go, ready to be cooked. But I have to get this done first. So I said, let me go ahead and start a vlog, y'all. It's real late. It's literally 12:44 a.m. My wife, she went in for a little extra overtime tonight for a couple of hours. So she should be on her way home. So she should be calling me like around 1. So that's why I want to really make for sure that I get this done. So that's why I'm not going to do that many looks. Basically, I'm going to be doing 4 looks all together with this theme. I never see stuff like this in my face, but y'all, today I had literally a blackhead in my face and I never seen it before, and I literally squeezed it out. And I was so upset that I did it because then I had to do my makeup. So now I look like something, and you know, you never see shit like that in my face. Like, let's be real. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and try to get this knocked out before my wife get home, so when she get home I can go ahead and start getting the food ready, because I know she gonna be ready to eat, and I'm sure gonna be ready to eat. I ate me some good Chinese noodles, so I'm good for right now. But y'all just don't understand the, like, this. I don't think y'all understand the power that I hold. Like, I am truly a bad bitch from all angles. But y'all know, like, this ponytail, I'm serious, y'all just don't understand. This ponytail, like, hey, this ponytail is, she's giving what needs to be get. You get it? Okay, yeah, I believe y'all get it. And I ain't even got the weave brush to comb through it, because I like the little natural waves that that this little Brazilian hair have. And I feel like I did the ponytail thick enough. Enjoy this little montage of the behind the scenes that I'm fit to give you guys, of me ironing my pants and me getting these outfits together and me setting up, because I was gonna do it in my living room so I can just have a plain white wall. But I feel like it'll look more aesthetic-y if I do it right here in front of my grass wall and in front of my couch. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push my couch all the way to my door. So as y'all can see right here, I got this space, but I do have a trash bag right there because I keep all my trash so I don't accumulate trash in my room. I keep it in that bag. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scoot my couch all the way to the door, to where it be lined up even with the flower wall. And I'm gonna just use this as like my background for me doing my this or that. And I'm gonna be actually standing right here in front of it. So I'm gonna set you guys up so y'all can see like exactly what I'm talking about. Baby, that light will either break you or make you. And it's gonna make me period. And they did that on it. Clothes I have laying out, y'all. It's a lot because I had to get the outfits together.
So now that my makeup and my hair is done, I'm going ahead and let y'all up as I watch YouTube. And I'm deciding these pins and stuff, so I guess y'all can watch.
Yep, I straight up can see you.
For real?
Yep, wave, say hey.
Hey, gang.
Really, I already started. I'm on my second look. So I'm just go ahead and set y'all up. I have my other camera sitting up here on the ring light. So I guess I'll just put y'all behind everything so y'all can see what's going on. Let's see.
Got a new dress for you. You say I'm ready, and all I like. Tell me somewhere with you, whatever you want. Oh, again, oh, just taking photos. I like when you say I'm walk back. I like to be a lover, baby. I don't want another. I like you call me walk back.
Last look, y'all. I gotta do one more look and then I'm done. This is me trying to film me out some BTS. This is what I've been doing. I made us our taco board like I told y'all. So we have some chicken quesadillas. We have some homemade avocado, some fresh key limes, corn tortilla chips with some queso, Mexican rice, and some chicken salad, corn tacos. I don't like the way I like looking. I don't know why it's looking like that. Bye, y'all. I made my good old coffee.
Look at my little holy grail ponytail, baby. So what we finna do is we finna get ready, we finna get dressed. So this whole little scenery over there, we're gonna go ahead and straighten that up. And I want to actually take some type of like business looking professional pictures today. So like I want to be holding journals and sitting down on the couch with like the flower background and take like some professional pictures. But that's what we're doing today. So I'm fit to do my hair, high bun look, and I'm gonna have a bang down and with it curled. So I'm gonna let you guys watch me as I do my hair and my makeup, and as take these professional looking pictures. I really want to use them for my business, Kiadraa's LLC, but also I want to use them for some of my social media pages. I want my pictures like to look legit, because I've been upgrading all of my social medias like crazy. That's what we doing. And it's so crazy that I would choose to take some pictures right now when my ring light is freaking broke. And do y'all see what I'm using right now for light to film my content? I'm using my photo. But that's all I have right now until I go get me a new cord for my ring light. Get into this hair. I was like, baby, let me do something positive and productive. Me and my wife been actually going through something. God is working on our behalf, period. And I was like, baby, let me get up and continue to be the most positive and productive self that I know I can be. Y'all just don't understand. I have become a beast with coffee. So good and rich. This ain't that BS, baby. But yeah, I'm watching YouTube, so I'm probably not gonna talk to y'all. I'm about to eat my banana, drink my coffee, do my makeup and my hair like I said.
When you see moisturizer that keeps on giving.
Wanna feel your hands all on my body, and I wrap my legs so tight you got me. Wanna feel that tingle down my spine. Oh, you know that's when I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive. You I come alive. Wanna feel your hands all on my body, and I wrap my legs so tight you got me. Wanna feel the tingle down my spine.
I got a new dress for you. You say I'm ready, and all I like. Tell me somewhere with you, whatever you want. Oh, again, oh, just taking photos. I like when you say I'm what I like to be a lover, baby. I don't want another. I like you call me what.
This is definitely a moisturizer that keeps on giving.
When I feel your hands all on my body, and I wrap my legs so tight you got me. When I feel that tingle down my spine, oh you know that's when I come alive. You are come alive. You are come alive. You are come alive. You are come alive.
And that was a little while ago. Let me go ahead. Girl, I keep taking my phone off airplane mode and putting it right back on airplane mode so my shit don't die. Well, my data don't run out because I'm trying to make sure I get the same thing. Oh, it's staying 4 minutes away. Damn, he only moved 2 minutes worth. Okay, I'm gonna get him to like 4:04. But if he don't make something shake before then, child, he gotta go. But the original plan for me was to film so much. Something don't work out, I always find another way. So just so happens this time my trip wasn't that long. I mean, it was long, but my main focus was Paris Fashion Week. That was my main focus. It wasn't my focus on nothing else pretty much. So I have to make multiple trips and other stuff, and I'm okay with that. Pretty direct trip of what I was here for. So I was just scoping around, seeing what's out here, seeing what's going to see when I come back. The way you pay. So I didn't see anything, otherwise I would have got something, but I didn't. So now I'm just walking around seeing if I can find any nice. End up going to the tower.
You say I'm ready, and all I like. Tell me somewhere with you, whatever you want.
This white gotta get on with it to get like, you know, this clean, sophisticated look. I need to find my clipper. To see how I'm gonna be taking these pictures. Hold on, y'all.
Baby, I don't want nothing. I like you call me what bad.
Supposed to start filming a series for the cooking channel. I got the phone set up, and now I'm just to get you guys set up.
I've been working on me, I've been loving on me. I had to learn to love myself.